Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a wonderful humidifier for your home? Check this out. This humidifier is by far the best humidifier that I have ever owned. First of all, it's beautiful. So if you need some moisture in your house, why not do it with a little style, right? And I love how easy this was to use. It was right out of the box. It holds a ton of water. I went away for a weekend and set it before I left, and it was still running when I got back. So that was phenomenal for my plants while I was gone. They still got the moisture that they needed to thrive and grow. It has a lot of different settings on it. It has a timer on it so you can turn it on and off without even thinking about it. It also has a 360-degree nozzle and 3 speed settings so that you can get the perfect amount of humidity in your space. So it can be indoors in a huge space like where I have it, or you can set it in a bedroom if your baby's not feeling good. I want to tell you about the essential oil dispensary that it has in it. Just a few little drops, and not only are you getting the moisture that your area needs, but you're also getting a little essential oil smell too. So I love that feature. I also love that it comes with this handy remote. So if your baby is sleeping and you just need to adjust the level of humidity in the room or something like that, you don't have to go in and risk waking up your baby because you can do it all with this handy remote. Another feature I really like about it is that it has this little light feature in there, which is perfect for a baby's room. It just has so many soothing features for someone that's not feeling very well. So this humidifier is everything that I wanted it to be, plus a little bit more. It's absolutely wonderful, but that's just my point of view.